Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Stockpile's Gift Card Investing, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Stockpile's Gift Card Investing, start by visiting the Stockpile website. If you don't already have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill in your email address and choose a secure password. Once you've completed the sign up process, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your account. After verification, log into your Stockpile account using your email and password. Navigate to the gift cards section, usually found in the main menu. Select the gift card you wish to purchase for investment purposes. Enter the amount for the gift card you want to buy. Add the gift card to your cart and proceed to the checkout. Enter your payment information to complete the purchase. Once the transaction is confirmed, you will receive a digital gift card. Use this gift card to invest in fractional shares of stocks available on the platform. Select your desired stocks and enter the amount you wish to invest. Review your order to ensure everything is correct. Confirm the investment, and the shares will be reflected in your account. Monitor your investments through. You are now successfully connected to Stockpile's gift card investing platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.